Okay, good morning students. Today class we are going to study that how to find the periodic and block and group. If they give the atomic number, how to find this number is belongs to which period, which block, okay, and which group. Okay, now first we are going to discuss some small table, that periodical table. You see, in periodical table we have learned that it belongs to S block. This is S block, correct? No, S block. This is P block. This is D block. This is F block. F block below. You see, how to find the first period. We are going to read first. We are going to study how to know the period if they given any atomic number. Okay, period. To find the period, the highest n value. The highest n value means highest n value. N may be 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Okay, for example, we take atomic number 12. Atomic number 12. If we write the electronic configuration to the atomic number 12, it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. It belongs to C 3s2, correct? No, when we are going to see the configuration, you see the n in this electronic configuration, which is the highest n value. You see 1, 2, 3, correct? No, it is the highest n value, that is 3. Then it belongs to third period. While using this method, we will find the period. Next, we are going to study about block. Which block it belongs. Okay, to find the block, the last electron present in the orbital. You see, the last electron present in the orbital. The orbital, you already know that it is S, P, D, F, correct? No, S, P, D, F. Its shapes belongs to, it is spherical. No, S block shape is spherical. It is dumbbell shape. It has dumbbell. It is complex. F block belongs to complex. You see, when S block, if we are going to study the S block, is spherical. It having 2 electrons. When come to P, it has the dumbbell shape. It has 6 electrons. While going to talk about the D block, it has dumbbell. It have 10 electron. While going to F block, it is a complex. It having the 14 electrons. Correct? No. Now, for how to find the block. See, the last electrons present in the orbital. Orbital is S, P, D, F orbitals. Okay. For example, you take atomic number 21. Well, write the electronic configuration. electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d1, 3d1. Okay, this is electronic configuration for atomic number 21. While going to study the period first, correct? No, the period. To find the period, what we done, we taken highest number. You see 1 2 3, the highest is 4th, correct? No, it is belongs to 4th period. While we going to talk about the block, which block it belongs, you see the last electron present in the orbital, the last electron is, you see, is D, correct? No, this is the last electron, then it is D block. While we studied that block, next we are going to talk about groups. We are going to study about groups. Okay, groups means, first we are going to talk about groups. In the groups, we talk about S block. You see, while talking about the S block, the number of electrons in valence shell, outermost S block belongs to two groups, that is group 1 and group 2, correct? No, the number of electrons in the valence shell or outermost shell. Okay, the S block is divided into two, that is group 1, group 2. Its general electronic configuration NS1, NS2, correct? No, NS1, NS2. Already I explained that S block, group 1 and group 2 also, it is odd, it is alkaline metals, it is alkaline earth metals. Already I told that. Now we are finding the groups. Okay, we can tell that it is S block. In S block, which group it is? First group or second group? How can we find it? Okay, for example, atomic number, we will take 19. While writing the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. Okay, while first we want to find out the period. Period means n value, it is, which is highest n value, it is 4th, correct? No, it is 4th period. Then block, the least electron present in the orbital, which it is S, correct? No, it is S block. And now we are finding that group, which group it belongs, correct? No, group. You see, it is having the least number of electrons, valence is 1, correct? No, you see, number of valence is 1, then it is first group. You maybe have another doubt, I can give another example, taking that atomic number 20. Similarly, the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. Already I told that this is group 1 general electronic configuration NS1, group 2 NS2. You can first we want to find out the period. Period is, which is highest n value, it is 4th. Similarly, 4th period. Then you talk that block, which block, the least electron present in the orbital, which is it is S, correct? No, S block. Now we are going to talk about group, correct? No, group, you see it having the 2, then it is second group. Okay, next we take some another examples. Okay, to solve S block you can do it based on this method only. Next we're going to talk about a group in groups to find P block. The P block starts from 13 to 18. 13 to 18. You want to remember one thing. Remember 12 plus number of electrons present in the last p orbital. Remember 12 plus because while taking you see, while taking this is a p block, no, this is 2 plus 10, it will become 10, it will be d orbital having the 10, 3 to 12, 1 to 2, yeah, 13 to 18. Okay, then we come to F block, it is a below. Okay, it having below. You see why we taking the 12, 10, its total is having 10, correct? No, 10 plus 2, 12 plus number of electrons present in the last p orbital. While taking example, you can know it. Example, taking atomic number 6. Similarly, electronic configuration. Sorry, I taken 6 now. 6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Correct? No. The period which is highest n, it is second period. It is second period. Okay. Block, which block it belongs? While talking the block, it is, you see the last, it is P only, correct? No, it is P block. Next, group. I told that remember 12 plus number of electrons. You want to write 12 plus number of electrons present in last p orbital. Last it is 2, correct? No, 2. For that we taken 2. It is total 14th group. It is 14th group. 14th group means it comes here, correct? No, 14th group. Next we take another example, taking atomic number 16. Taking atomic number 16. Electronic configuration. Similarly, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. Then while writing periodical periods, you want to see that highest n value is 3. It is third period. Okay, then groups means third, it is 1, 2, it will be third, it will come here. Okay, third. Next, block, which block it belongs? You see it is last having P, it is P block. Then group, all I told that 12, quite common, 12 plus number of last electron orbital is 4 plus 4, it is 16th group. 16th means 14, 15, 16. Okay, 16th group. Okay, next we are going to talk about D block. D block. D block starts from 3 to 12. Correct? No? You take 3 to 12. I'm taking 3 to 12. You see, before talking 3 to 12, it's it is 2 orbitals are there. For that, we want to take 2 plus number of electrons present in the last D shell. Last D shell. Okay. We will take example. While taking example, you can understand that atomic number, or we can take Z also, same 23. Electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d3. Then period is highest. You see, you don't want to write 3 because highest n value is 4. It is fourth period. It is fourth period. Then block. Which block it is? Last it is D block. D block. Then group. To find group, only told that 2 plus last number of electrons, that is 3. 3 equals fifth group. Fifth group. We take another example, taking that Z is equals to means atomic number is nothing but 26. While taking 26, the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d6. Then period which is highest n value, it is 4 only. Fourth period. The block, which block it belongs, it is D block. D block. Next we want to find out that group. Correct? No? While talking about groups, told that 2. Correct? No? 2 plus. How many last electrons are there? You see, it is 6. Correct? No? 6. It gives 8 groups. 8 groups. Next we are going to talk about F block. F block, it is below the periodical table. Okay, below the periodical table. It gives some important rules to find the period and block and groups. Okay, please you want to remember this. Now we are going to talk about F block. F block. F block, already I told that below. Correct? No? It starts lanthanides, actinides. Lanthanide starts from 57 to 71. Actinide starts from 89 to 103. If lanthanide 57 to 71 atomic number, it is 6th period. Then it's 89 to 103, then it is 7th period. The lanthanides or actinides, if it comes, it belongs to both. It belongs to third groups. Okay. For example, For example, atomic number is equals to 90, for example. Then 90, you see, straight we don't want to write the electronic configuration, we can find it like the straight using this formula only. 90 it comes between 89 to 103, it is actinides. Then period, it is seventh period. Then block, it is nothing but F block. And group already I told, it is third group. Lanthanides or actinides. If F block comes means group fixed, it is third group, it becomes third group. You can take another example, that is atomic number is equals to 59. Then period is equals to 15, it comes between 57 to 71, then it is sixth period. Then block, called commonly F block. Then group, it becomes third group. Okay, this is the while I explained that how to find the period, group, blocks. Okay, next class we discuss the periodical properties.